Wood post protectors are used to prevent the cable from rubbing on the holes in wood post, while at the same time providing an appealing and finished look to the face of the post. HAAS Stainless offers 3 different types of wood post protectors that are available in 1/8 inch and 3/16 inch sizes: straight, transition, and angled. Straight wood post protectors are designed to be used at the end post where a swage stud or end stop has been installed, or at the intermediate post in straight cable runs. Transition wood post protectors are designed with a radiused edge to allow for tensioning without damaging the cable, and can be used at the end post or at the intermediate post between a straight and angled cable run. Lastly, angled wood post protectors are used for the intermediate posts and angled cable runs and are available in 31, 33, and 37 degree angles. When selecting angled post protectors, choose the angle that most closely matches the angle in your cable run. For more information on how to expose your view with HAAS stainless cable railing components, visit www.haasstainless.com.